Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tineco A11 Hero or PET series wet dry vacuum and you need to replace the battery on it. Now you might be here because the battery is not charging anymore or won't hold a charge or keeps discharging really quickly. And the reality is that these batteries do not last forever. These are great vacuums, and really the only thing that goes wrong with them is that you need to replace some filters and stuff like that, and also the batteries every once in a while. So if your batteries are no longer holding a charge, the best thing to do is just to get you don't need a whole new vacuum, just get a new battery. And I'll go ahead and put a link to the official Tineco store where you can get these new replacement batteries that just slide in and slide out. They're highly rated and they work really well. You can get a couple of them so that, especially if you're vacuuming a lot of space, you don't have to worry about them running out of charge while you're vacuuming. You can charge two batteries at the same time on the system. So anyways, if this helped, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And again, I'll put a link to the battery in the description. Thanks a lot for watching.